Ich sind an einem wunderschönen Rosegärtchen in der W und ich begehe heute mit den Terry und hat das von der Association Ask for Angela. Also da kann man etwas Interessantes geben. Bleibt gespannt, wir freuen uns auf ihr Scheiße.
Hi!
Moin! Moin! Hi, Terry! Aber jetzt wieder in der Halle und ich heute mit Ask for Angela. Ist das schön? Mam Terry von der Association Ask for Angela. Na ja, voilà.
Hi, Nadine.
Moin! How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
It's fine. So we're going to explain a little bit what your work is about and how you did it. So, and why did you bring it to Luxembourg?
So I brought it to Luxembourg because I feel it's lacking in many countries. I've seen it more and more in the UK, and now it's in almost every bar and pub. Whenever you go, you see the posters. And I've had experiences. I think every woman has had experiences in venues where you wish you had an opportunity to just instantly ask for help.
To have for getting some help, which is really great.
Yeah,
perfect. So what would you say to people who are uncomfortable to ask for help for Angela?
Well, there's a number of things that they can do. They could go to the bathroom and wait in the bathroom until somebody else comes, and then they can ask them to ask for Angela for them. Or they can point to the poster if there's a language barrier. They can show staff a message on their phone. They can write it down. Staff just know that the key word is Angela. So as long as you get the word Angela to them, that's all that matters.
Great. So what's the main point of this interview for the people?
Well, the main point is, firstly, it's not only for women. Anyone can feel harassed, anyone can feel unsafe or overwhelmed. The second really important thing is it's not a secret word. So the posters are everywhere. You'll see them in the venues. It's because it's not a secret. It's just a really easy way to ask for help. And if anybody wants any information, it's on askforangela.lu in multiple languages.
Okay, super, great. So I want to thank you for this interview.
Thank you, Nadine.
I want to thank you to watching us.
Thank you.
And so maybe it was also helpful for you. So stay tuned, guys. We love you. Bye.
Ciao.